Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special Halloween slime tutorial for you. If you want to find out how to get this witch's brew slime, just keep watching. First you're going to pour roughly a cup of ghost snot into your bowl. Guys, this is the secret ingredient to your witch's brew. You're going to add half a teaspoon of green pixie dust. It has to be green. You're going to add half a teaspoon of this to your ghost snot. After that, you can add your activator solution. I will put my recipe in the description box. Here I have a container of dragon scales, and to my mixture I'm just going to add a sprinkle of them. This is a bag of spider eyeballs, and you will need to add 2 big pinches of this. Next, you will need to add some frog eggs, and for this recipe you need to add 4 pinches of frog eggs. Here are some owl eyes, and I add 4 pinches of owl eyes to this recipe. And our last ingredient for this witch's brew is 5 pinches of troll toenails. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below and let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. I can really do any type of slime video you want. Just let me know in the comments. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Bye!